Good morning and welcome to Trading the Trend on Wednesday, the 30th of November. We had a long FTSE 100 trade on for several weeks now, and we have now hit our target at 7,500. And as you can see here on the daily chart, we went long around this area here at 7,288 and have now cashed in our profits at 7,500 on the FTSE 100. Today's trading, the trend is on the British Petroleum BP share price. As you can see here on the daily chart, we continue to head higher, even though we've already risen by 41% this year. And we're very close to the psychological 500 pence mark, which capped the share price at the beginning of November. But we expect that to soon give way and for the share price to then rise above its 2006 high around 503 pence, and that was an all-time high. So BP could soon be making all-time highs. So therefore, our trade of the week is to go long BP at 497 pence with a stop loss at the last reactive low here on the 21st of November, which was made at 456 pence, and an upside target of at least 600 pence.